This is a 2018 Dodge Ram SLT Bighorn. It's got the 5.7 HEMI, four-wheel drive, front and rear parking sensors. It's got the 20-inch chrome rims. See the wheel-to-wheel running boards. Gray cloth seats with a full center console. Got a dual glove box. You got your owner's manual. USB, auxiliary, USB. And just more storage. Got a 115 volt outlet. Then you have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. There's your tow haul mode, trailer brake, four-wheel drive. It's got dual zone automatic climate control, backup camera, built-in navigation. There's your garage door opener, power sliding rear glass. Got a spray-on bed liner and then LED bed lights. Tow package. Heated side mirrors with the LED blinkers on the side here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors that are also power fold. Automatic headlights and a power driver seat. 15,079 miles, Bluetooth, cruise control. There's your backup camera. It's a non-smoker. There's another 12 volt down there. Remote start.